Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for March 24th. We are currently looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This particular pair broke out to the upside. We are looking for it to continue moving to the upside with a bias that is up. Look for it to potentially go as high as 92.89, possibly as low as 89.82. Look for some resistance around 92.75 and look for some support around 92.26. Now, switching over to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair closed down today, pretty much closed at the lows, is moving lower with a bias to the downside. If we do get a reversal, look for it to go up to 135.67 and possibly down to 132.34. Look for some resistance around 134.25 and look for some support around 133.00. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved lower as well, closed lower, biased to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 151.23, possibly as low as 147.65. Look for some resistance around 149.25 and look for some support around 148.25. Now, the US Swiss, this particular pair is moving higher, moved higher. Overall, still have a bias that is somewhat sideways. I'd have to get another close up to really look for it to continue to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 107.97, possibly as low as 105.10. Look for some resistance around 107.50 and look for some support around 106.50. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have the Japanese yen releasing their National Consumer Price Index for February, and that is going to be released at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus is things have gotten a little better from a negative 1.3% to a negative 1.1%. So definitely keep an eye on that. As far as what I'm looking for, I am looking for the U.S.-Japanese yen pair to pull back a little bit. Basically going to take the low right here, the low of this session, and look for it to, if it breaks that, I'm looking for it to come on down to this session's high. It's about a 50 pip move roughly. I do believe that we can get that if we get a pullback that's strong enough. But we're just going to have to see. We are a good ways from this, about 60 pips or so, or about 50 pips rather. So we'll see which way this pair decides to go. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.